Well, it may surprise you, but even as we go from April into the month of May, snow is not out of the ordinary, completely out of the ordinary, that is, across the highest parts of the British Isles. Thanks for clicking on to the Wednesday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. We are seeing the GFS indicating some snow over, the Welsh Mountains, the North Pennines, and into the southern uplands and the Scottish Highlands. We may find that this model is somewhat overdone with regards to the snowfall, but what is interesting in all this is that we have got a fairly cool pattern starting to evolve as we go from late week in through the weekend and into next week. High pressure, like I've said, building over the northern half of the British Isles. Low pressure coming in from the southwest. There's going to be a bit of a fight zone, but those areas of low pressure never really get north of England and Wales proper, because we're seeing the heights build over Scotland, and therefore it should feel reasonably pleasant as we go late week and into the weekend in particular, because high pressure, slack winds, what you've got is an increase in diurnal fluctuation. Daytime temperatures rise into the teens during the daytime under that powerful late April, early May sunshine. But of course, as the daytime heating gets going, we start to bubble up the cumulus clouds. They develop into convective showers and even some isolated thunderstorms as well at this time of the year. So cooler in place. We're seeing the cool at night, patchy frost away from the urban areas, and then of course we'll repeat the process during the daytime. The sun gets going, the atmosphere starts to stir up the clouds, and we see the showers. With the slack wind field right enough, we may see long spells of heavy showers, and even if there's emergence of the clouds, we may see some longer spells of rain. But on the grand scheme of things, it's a sunshine and shower regime as we leave April, begin the month of May. For northern parts of the British Isles, further south, we've got a series of low pressure systems coming in. The first one arrives late this week and into the weekend. Could be talking about gale force winds, southern parts of England and Wales, and also some pretty heavy rainfall, choppy seas through the channel as well for shipping concerns. And it's going to be it's very interesting when we see the pattern. High pressure to the north, low pressure to the south. If you check out the written post that I'll have released soon, it talks about the recent springs, early summers. Heat has been dominant across Spain, Portugal, France, the central portion of Europe. Not this year. It's been wetter. It's been cooler than normal. Sea surface temperatures have responded to that as well, and the CFS V2 is definitely not bringing any kind of summary pattern proper into this region of the world through much of May. So if that happens, given what we've seen so far this year, that could lead to a cooler and wetter summer overall for the southwestern portion of Europe here. So a lot of things to look at, a lot of interesting things as well. So do check out the written post for more on the southwestern portion of Europe. And I'll be back in the next couple of days with more. Have a great Wednesday afternoon. Bye-bye.